Welcome to 39th video of this MySQL tutorial series. In this video, we are going to see what is a primary key, how a primary key can be set to a table. So we are going to create a table named contact underscore new with three columns: register, name and mobile number. I'll drop this table and I'll create it again. So I have created this table. Now I will try to insert a value. So student of register number 1111 and his name followed by his mobile number. Right. So now accidentally or by mistake we have given same register number for the second student also. Right. So now the management is asking a data. What is the fees paid status of the student of register number 1111? So there is a conflict here. This student has paid the fee and this student has not paid the fee. So when I was put into a situation to get a data of register number 1111, I'm having two records. I mean, I'm having two students. So which student I will check? So this is the place where primary key is in need of. In case if we set this column as primary key, this table, I mean this SQL server wouldn't allow us to add another record with the same register number. So I'll drop this table and I'll show you how to add a primary key to a table. Primary key to a table. So same create table query, column name, data type followed by primary key keyword. Simple. Now the table is created. Right. Now I'll insert a row now. 1111. Right. Now I will try adding, I mean the same mistake now I am repeating. I will try to add same register number for another student. Let us see whether our SQL server is allowing us to add the same register number or not. So it is not allowing us because this column is set as primary key, so it is not allowing us to add another record with the same primary key, I mean same register number. So this is the exact usage of primary key. Hope this video is informative. In case you have queries, you can leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends too. Thanks for watching and keep supporting us.